Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to FTP over FTPS on VPS securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to FTP over FTPS on your VPS, start by ensuring your VPS is properly set up. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Use your preferred terminal application for this connection. Once connected, update your package list to ensure you have the latest software. Use the appropriate command for your Linux distribution. Install an FTP server that supports FTPS, such as FTPD or Proft. After installation, locate the configuration file for your chosen FTP server. For FTPD, this file is typically found at /etc/vsftpd.conf. Open the configuration file in a text editor. Enable FTPS by setting the appropriate options for SSL. Specify the location of your SSL certificate and private key within the file. Ensure that the server allows secure connections by enabling the SSL_enable option. Optionally, require SSL for both control and data connections. Save your changes and exit the text editor. Next, restart your FTP service to apply the configuration changes. Use the appropriate command to restart the service based on your system. Now, create a user account for FTP access. Set a strong password for the new FTP user. Update firewall settings to allow traffic on the FTP and FTPS ports. Typically, these are port 21 for FTP and ports 989 and 990 for FTPS. Test your FTPS setup using an FTP client that supports FTPS. Enter your VPS IP address and the FTP username and password. Make sure to specify that you want to use FTPS or FTPS for secure connections. Connect to the server and verify that the connection is secured. Check the logs of your FTP server for any connection errors or issues. Review the configuration and adjust as necessary to enhance security. Regularly update the software and monitor your server for vulnerabilities. Implement additional security practices like fail2ban or firewalls if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.